everyone, I'm Fern.
And I'm Millie. We hope you had a lovely Christmas.
As well as lots of other presents from our nan, we got this instant snow.
For fun.
Yeah, for fun. So we thought we could try it out and film
share it with you.
We haven't a clue what is going to happen with this.
It's instant snow blizzard in a can. It's easy to make. You open the can, add a small amount of water and watch the snow grow. Fern, can you open it because of my nails, please?
Yes, I will do the honours. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's got a little spade in it. That's so cute.
Can I see? Oh, little mix.
So we have a little plastic container, well, bag. So I'm now going to add a small amount of water here. Add some more. Look at that, Mill.
Ugh.
Shall I add a little bit more?
No. Mix it.
Do you want to mix it?
Okay.
Oh, I'll hold it.
Oh wow.
That's so weird. Oh my god.
What?
Should we pour it out?
Yeah.
Move the water to the side.
It's a bit of powder there.
Oh, that's so weird.
Is it? Oh! What is this? I expect it to be cold. Ooh.
I'm going to add a little bit more water in because there's
a
some
bit of
powder. Yeah, do you mix it with the spade?
Yeah. This is so weird.
It feels like rubber.
Yeah. It's like you can't really break it, really. Wow. It smells of glue.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, that's weird. That is so weird.
It's nothing like we expected.
We thought it'd be a bit more fluffy, like actual snow, a bit more sandier, but it's a bit just rubbery.
It feels really like tough when you put it apart. Let us know how you get on if you have instant snow at home.
We might have had too much water. But
We have mini snowballs though.
yeah, mini snowballs.
Snowball time. Woo!
Thank you for watching our instant snow video.
We would like to give a shout out to two of our fans, Evie and Kerry Johnson.
If you want to shout out in our next video, comment down below.
Yes.
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.